Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying essentials so updates install correctly. Make sure your Google account is signed in and synced. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug in, or have at least 50% battery. Now open the Play Store and tap your profile icon at the top right. This gives you access to settings and update controls. You do this first because update delivery depends on account, connectivity, and power. Skip any and installs may fail or pause mid-download. Once in the profile menu, tap Manage Apps and Device and open Updates Available. You'll see pending updates. Review the list to prioritize security or large apps you need now. Tap Update next to a single app to control timing, or Update All to apply everything. Make sure to watch download progress. If a download stalls, pause and resume or switch networks. You do this to avoid partial installs and to control data usage and timing for apps that matter most. After updates complete, open each updated app to confirm it launches and functions as expected. Sometimes background tasks finish after first run. If an app crashes or behaves oddly, clear its cache and data from settings or uninstall and reinstall that app. This removes corrupted temporary files. If problems persist, reboot the device, verify there's adequate storage, and make sure your Google account is still active. Remove and re-add it if Play Store authentication fails. That final check fixes most update issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.